Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford Ranger in an XLT trim, and powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency, with the Sport Appearance package giving you some unique rims, and running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back seat, we have seating for three comfortably, with fold-out armrests and two cup holders in the middle, with a 110-volt power outlet with two USBs. So you can plug something in from there, and the seats can be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo and reveal some storage bins underneath. And this vehicle does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a partially power adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left you have your cruise controls as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip 1 and 2 information with a digital speedometer, distance to empty, trip odometer, trip timer, fuel economy, and all the stats together. Then you have your fuel economy separately, truck info such as power distribution, driver assistance features and settings, and then settings in general for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. You also have your lane keeping system on the end of your signal stalk here. And moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. You have your digital climate controls with dual zone front climate, Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera so you can see where you're going, and moving down from that you have your hazards and your media controls and your physical climate controls, again with dual zone front climate, as well as having heated front seats so you can stay warm. Then you have two 12-volt power outlets, and in a cubby area down below you have two USBs so you can plug something into power or charge. Then you have some more controls here such as your auto start stop shut off, your tow haul mode, and your traction control shut off. You have your 4x4 selector, and then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side so you can manually shift through your gears. You have your parking brake, two cup holders, and your center compartment / armrest, which is relatively spacious inside. And before I forget, you do also have a manually sliding rear window, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.